Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSD Tech with another short video, and in today's short video we are going to change the system language from Samsung smartphone. Today's case is on Samsung's Galaxy A30s. This is a Mongolian variant and it has a Southeast Asian language. I don't know what language is that, maybe Russian or something like that, but whatever language you find on your phone and you can't understand, so the easy and straightforward process is to go to settings and keep scrolling down. Don't look at the language, look at this sign. You will see like the 3 bars, and when you see 3 bars, then you can look at the settings section again. I'll show you again guys. First of all, go to the settings, don't look at the language. When you are in the settings, just keep scrolling down from the top left side, and as soon as you see these 3 bars, 3 volume bars or something like that, you can click on this, and then you can click on the top first, option, or the first option on the top, and then you can see that this is a language sign. So you can click on the first option and then you can click on the second option. You don't need to remember the languages, you can just follow the steps, and then you can change the language, and obviously left or right, you can try both, but and then you can remove the language from your system. This is applicable to all smartphones. You can use this with any Samsung smartphone that comes with a non-native language, which you prefer. You can pick and choose your favorite language based on your region. So that was it for today's short video guys. I hope you have learned it, how to change the system language on a smartphone, and you can try on other smartphones as well. Stay safe, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.